To use the Uber driver app in Qatar, start by downloading and installing the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, create an account or sign in if you already have one. You will need to provide some personal and vehicle information, including your name, email address, phone number, vehicle make and model, and license plate number. Next, upload the required documents, such as your Qatari driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance card. Ensure that all documents are valid and not expired. After submitting the documents, wait for Uber to review and verify them, which may take a few days. Once your account is approved, set up your payment information to receive earnings from Uber. You can choose to receive payments via bank transfer or other available methods. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface, including the map view, trip requests, and earnings tracker. To start receiving trip requests, go online by tapping the Go button in the app. You will see available trip requests in your area, including the pickup location, destination, and estimated fare. Choose a trip request that suits you and tap Accept to start the trip. Follow the in-app navigation to reach the pickup location. And once you arrive, tap Arrive to notify the rider. After the rider gets in, start the trip by tapping Start Trip, and follow the navigation to the destination. When you reach the destination, tap End Trip to complete the ride. After each trip, rate the rider and provide feedback to help improve the Uber experience. You can also view your earnings and trip history in the app. To stay safe and provide a good experience for riders, always follow traffic rules, be courteous, and keep your vehicle clean and well maintained. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully use the Uber driver app in Qatar and provide a great experience for riders. Remember to stay up to date with Uber's policies and guidelines to ensure a smooth and successful experience.